Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get your Chase bank account statement online. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the middle part of the screen. Click on the option that says Statements. On this page, you will see the list of the statements. Click on the Save icon beside the statement you wish to get. Now, select either to save as PDF or save as accessible PDF. In accessible PDF, you could manage or edit the file. That's how you get your Chase bank account statement online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.